Huawei is ready to replace Android with Harmony OS on its smartphones. Yes, Huawei finally announced the release of the first smartphone with Harmony OS. In the future, Harmony OS will become a worldwide operating system with a huge user base. In 2019, the US government imposed sanctions that caused Huawei to lose support for Google services for its Android devices. Since then, the company has been working on its own operating system, Harmony OS, also known as Hongmeng operating system in China. It is now reportedly poised to replace Android. Commenting on long-standing rumor on the network about the first mobile phone with the operating system, Harmony OS, Huawei Consumer Business Group CEO Yu Chengdong confirmed its existence and outlined a release date. He stated that Harmony OS is already capable of offering 70 to 80% of Android's functionality. Huawei is completely ready to start rolling out its operating system on branded smartphones if Android is banned. It is reported that work on Harmony OS is almost complete and its ecosystem is ready to compete on an equal footing with Google's solution. The Huawei leader announced that at the HDC 2020 Developer Conference on September 10, the company will announce Harmony OS 2.0, which will be available for tablet users. This will be followed by a large wave of new products that will run Harmony OS. It has already been confirmed that the new version of Harmony OS will work with desktop, smartwatches, car multimedia system, and more. Of course, many are interested in the question of when Huawei will abandon Android and switch to using Harmony OS on its smartphones. Yu Chengdong confirmed that the first smartphone with Harmony OS is already being tested and is scheduled for release next year. He added that in the future, Harmony OS will become a worldwide operating system with a huge user base. An insider said earlier that Hongmeng Operating System 3.0 will be ready for mobile phones and the first smartphone with its operating system will be announced in the second half of next year. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.